Hi everyone, my name is Blake Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to use CoCalc's built-in library for popular open access textbooks and some supplemental materials like R statistical software in CoCalc. So here you can see CoCalc.com. I'm going to head over to my projects. And here I can select the project that I'd like to work inside of or create a new one. I'll go ahead and click on my project. And this is my shared file system. If I have a collaborator that I'd like to work with, I can head over to my user panel on the left-hand side and add their email address, and then they'll be listed and they'll have access to the shared workspace with me. And inside of my file explorer, you can see I have several folders. In fact, I have this folder called library. I'll click on that, and it's empty right now. And if I would like to get my own copy of Introduction to R Statistical Software in CoCalc, it's just some supplemental materials, some examples to get started with. You can head to the upper right-hand corner and click on library. And here you can browse the content that you'd like to get a copy of. And underneath the introduction section, there's our statistical software in CoCalc. Click on that and then select get a free copy. And now you can see in my home directory, I have my library folder, and inside of that library folder, I have an additional folder called R. And here I have a Jupyter Notebook, a SageWorkSheet that are using the R kernels, and also a folder that has a PDF and a text file for CoCalc's built-in LaTeX editor. I think it's Beamer for this little PDF here. But you can see that you have some nice supplemental materials to get started with learning how to use the R statistical software inside of the platform. But that is just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.